Let me ask you a question. You ever feel like your bad habits are keeping you from creating the amount of money that you want to create? Mechlinski here, and if you're looking to break through the barriers holding you back from creating wealth, today we're going to talk about the bad habits that are keeping you stuck. Unlock the power God has already placed inside you and step into the abundance that's waiting for you. So let's dive right in. Did you know that 80% of people never achieve their financial goals because they are stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and bad habits? And this isn't just about money, it's about mindset, discipline, and breaking free from what's holding you back. Number one, stop putting limiting beliefs on yourself. One of the worst habits you can have is putting limits on yourself. I remember when I first started on my entrepreneurial journey, I thought guys like me don't get rich. Growing up in a broken home, dropping out of high school at 17, and running the streets made me believe that success was not for me. But here's the truth. God has already given you the power to create wealth. In Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 18 says, "But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth." When I realized this, everything in my life began to change. Your subconscious might tell you, I'm not smart, I'm not good enough, or I don't have the right connections, or nobody will listen to me. And that's a lie. Judges chapter 6, verse 12 says, "The Lord is with you, mighty warrior." God doesn't see your limits. He calls you mighty. The only limits are the ones you place on yourself. Point number two, live in the now. How many times have you told yourself, I'll be happy when I make six figures, or I'll be successful when I buy that dream home? The problem is, once you reach that goal, there will always be another goal. So you have to learn to enjoy the journey. Eckhart Tolle says, "In the power of now," teaches you that life is happening now, not in the future. And wealth is about more than money. It's about peace, fulfillment, and enjoying the present moment. Embracing the journey. Point number three, take care of your body. Your energy is your superpower. When you eat clean, sleep well, and eliminate substances like drugs, alcohol, weed, or even prescription stimulants like Adderall, you're setting yourself up for clarity and focus. These substances might give you a temporary high, but they'll always leave you relying on them to create or perform. Relying on God, however, gives you the freedom and power without strings attached. You see, when you rely on a substance to create, you will always have to rely on that substance to create more. And when you rely on God as your source, He is the creator. So He gives creative ideas and gives you the power to create. And when I cut out the energy drainers that were blocking the flow of God's creativity and focused on eating clean and getting 7-8 hours of good sleep, my productivity skyrocketed. Wealth requires focused energy, and your habits around health will make or break you. Number four, eliminate energy drainers like social media, TV, and mindless scrolling. They're some of the biggest culprits of wasted energy. Every hour you spend on these distractions is an hour you're not investing in yourself, your business, or your dreams. I'm not saying cut them out completely, but you have to set boundaries. Ask yourself, is this adding value to my life, or is it just numbing me? Point number five, build discipline and trust in God. Building wealth isn't just about grinding 24/7. It's about aligning your habits with the vision God has for your life. And when you replace bad habits with disciplined actions, you'll see results. And when you trust God, you'll unlock creativity and opportunities you didn't even know were possible. So to break these habits and unlock wealth, here are the 5 takeaways that we went over. Number one, stop putting limits on yourself. Realize that God has given you the power to create wealth. Number two, live in the now. Enjoy the journey. Stop chasing happiness in the future. Number three, take care of your body, eat clean, sleep well, and eliminate substances that hold you back. And number four, eliminate energy drainers. Cut back on distractions like social media and TV. And number five, build discipline and trust in God. Align your habits with His plan for your life. And if you apply these principles, not only will you unlock wealth, but you'll also experience true freedom and fulfillment. Remember that God calls you mighty. Step into that identity today. And if this video has somehow helped you in some way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with somebody who might need it. And I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you soon.